In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Search. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro with Asana, knowing how to efficiently use the search feature can save you time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First things first, you want to open up Asana and find the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your starting point for finding specific tasks, projects, or subtasks. You'll want to think about the keywords related to what you're searching for. For instance, if you remember a task title, a project name, or even just a word or phrase that was used within a task, type it in. The search feature will use these keywords to comb through your workspace and find relevant results. Once you hit enter after typing in your keywords, Asana will display a list of results. This list includes tasks, projects, conversations, and attachments that match your search terms. You'll notice that each result is clearly marked, and you can easily click on any of these items to open them directly from the search results. It's a convenient way to navigate between various elements of your Asana workspace without needing to go through multiple menus or lists. One of the great strengths of Asana Search is its speed and simplicity. It's ideal for quick, straightforward searches where you have a clear idea of what you're looking for. However, it's worth noting that this simplicity also comes with limitations. In larger projects, the search might show a wide range of results, and there's limited filtering to narrow them down. You might have to sift through more items than you'd like to find exactly what you need, but don't worry. While the search function might show many results, it'll still save you considerable time compared to manually browsing through tasks and projects one by one. Embrace the process, and with practice, you'll become more adept at selecting the right keywords to minimize unwanted results. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to harness the power of Asana's search functionality. By using this feature regularly, you'll streamline your task management experience and enhance your productivity. Happy searching on Asana, and see you in the next video.